Hey there, foodies! Today, we're going to whip up a delicious and nutritious meal featuring tuna fish salad. So, let's get started. First, let's make some tuna fish. You'll need a few cans of tuna fish, some mayonnaise, and a few seasonings. Drain the tuna fish, then mix it with mayonnaise, pinch of salt, pepper, and garlic powder. In a bowl, give it a good stir. Next, let's boil some eggs. Place the eggs in a pot, cover them with water, and bring the water to a boil for about 20 minutes. Once the water is boiling, turn off the heat and let the eggs sit for about 15 minutes. Then, run them under cold water to stop the cooking process. Peel the eggs and cut them into the tuna. Also add in some pickle relish and onions. And finally, let's assemble our tuna fish sandwich. Spread some tuna fish on a slice of bread, then top it with a slice of tomato. Add some lettuce and there you have it, a scrumptious tuna fish sandwich. That's it for today's cooking tutorial, folks. I hope you enjoyed making this tuna fish sandwich as much as I did. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!